Today, 8 911 Porsches, including an R and a 993 Turbo, plus a 910, and a pair of Ferraris, a 348 and an F355. Hi there. Porsches sold on Bring a Trailer today include a black 1986 944 Turbo with 78,000 miles that sold for $16,200. A better-than-average car in need of a belt service that sold at a better-than-average price. An Atlas Gray 2004 911 Coupe with 146,000 miles sold for $26,500. Just a little rich for the mileage, this does seem like a mostly solid 996. A light ivory 1964 356C Coupe Project car sold for $61,500. Most of the parts needed to assemble the car are included in this sale, our first from a very nice collection of cars that sold today. This may have been a fair sale price. A Casablaca beige 1980 911 SC Coupe with 66,000 miles presented by a great seller sold for $71,000. An attractive car. I know the Cadbury brown interior doesn't satisfy many, but I like it. This was a fair sale price. A midnight blue, modified 2007 911 Turbo Coupe with 56,000 kilometers located in Canada sold for $109,000. A beefed-up engine and suspension and a seemingly meticulous owner pushed this modified car beyond where most Canadian cars would fall. This was well sold. A white 2016 911R with 6,000 miles sold for $398,000. Part of the collection, this was well sold. A Guards Red 645-mile 1996 911 Turbo sold for $486,000. 600 miles. Yes, this is part of the collection, and it was very well sold. A Grand Prix White 1967 910, one of 27, sold for $2,500,000. This was a 200-mile-per-hour race car with a 2-liter engine. Amazing. Also a collection piece, the sale included the original engine, as the factory 2-liter flat 8 was replaced with a more powerful 2.2-liter flat 6. The original engine alone is easily worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. A fat number, to be sure, but likely a fair sale price. I'll show more and talk about this supercar in today's short video. For Ferrari, a blue Medio over beige 1990 348 TS with 50,000 miles sold for $50,000. A higher mileage Ferrari, this was a fair sale price on a nice color car with some potential opportunities. A Rosso Corsa 50,000 kilometer 1995 F355 GTS located in the Netherlands sold for $160,000. Yesterday I covered the sale of a Spider that sold for $80,000. Coupes do sell for more. The sale price included shipping to the U.S., and this car sold at a fair price. On Cars and Bids, an Amazon Green 1992 Porsche 968 Cabriolet with 143,000 miles sold for $12,100. This car needs several small items, and it has many miles, but it was a fair sale price on an attractive 968. On PCAR Market, a chiffon white 1978 911 SC Coupe with 284,000 miles sold for $31,500. This 911 has been repainted, but it sold for a high price relative to its mileage. An Albert Blue 1975 911S Targa sold for $40,000. This was probably a fair sale price on a car with some required work. A Guards Red over Black, one family owned 39,000-mile 1983 911 SC cab sold for $60,911. I've mentioned before that I had an SC cab. They are routinely underappreciated, making them a bargain for those looking for a 911 of this generation. 4 cars on Bring a Trailer were bid with their reserves not met today, June 8th. A champagne yellow 1968 Porsche 912 Coupe was bid to $75,500. A polar silver 1995 911 Carrera RS with 65,000 kilometers was bid to $340,000. A Condor Yellow 1960 356B Super 90 GT Coupe, one of 14, was bid to $690,000. A black 1958 356A Emery Special Sunroof Coupe was bid to $699,356. That's a wrap for today. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Be well.